True strength cannot be achieved in the absence of mobility. Might sound contradictory. There's a lot of people going around that are talking about that if you want to get really strong, that you shouldn't focus on flexibility at all. We disagree. There's plenty of examples of some of the greatest feats of strength by very flexible people. All you need to do is look at any Olympic gymnast to see what I'm talking about. Now stick around, because I'm going to talk to you about how you can get strong and flexible at the same time.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So how do you get strong and flexible at the same time? Well, first thing you need to understand is what the mechanism of flexibility is. Flexibility is basically, or lack of flexibility, comes from the brain's inhibitors. The brain has inhibitors that are in place to prevent you from injuring yourself. So when the brain detects that muscles or joints are going to a range of motion that aren't safe, the inhibitors kick in and it tightens up muscles to prevent you from going any further. But we can delay that process to increase your flexibility and mobility through effective flexibility training. Now, if you're not flexible, you're going to struggle to be able to express your strength. Hey, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we teach people how to balance strength, flexibility and fitness into 1 hour workouts so that you get everything that you need done in order to become athletic. Now, if you want to get started with this, if you want to know the principles of our programming, you can grab one of the free blueprints. There's a link in the description of this video for a couple of downloads for you. Or if you're ready to jump in and buy one of our strength, flexibility or calisthenics skills programs, there's a link in the description for our library of programs where you can grab one. And if you want to take your training to the next level, then we've got an exclusive offer for you to join our UMS online coaching program, where you can work with me personally doing our Unified Movement System. It's a 30-day free trial and a sweet deal if you decide to stay on after that trial. That's where we teach you the UMS, the 1 hour workouts to balance strength, flexibility and fitness following periodization. So you get a new program every 4 weeks and you get coaching by me via our private coaching group. Think about it. Imagine a really, really strong person who can barely touch their toes. Now they might be able to bench press and squat and do a hell of a lot of weight, but when it comes to expressing that strength in athletic performance, it's going to be a struggle. You know, when you play sports, when you do gymnastics, martial arts, it does require a certain level of flexibility, a certain level of being able to move your body. So one without the other isn't nearly as effective as a balance between the both. So how do you train for both? Well, in my program, the Unified Movement System, we do a 1-to-1 strength and flexibility ratio. That means in the same 1 hour workout, we do a set of strength training, then a set of flexibility training. Now, we don't train the same muscle groups. That would be bad. You definitely don't want to be doing a bench press and then in your rest and recovery stretching out the pecs and the muscles that are used for bench pressing. That sends a mixed signal through the nervous system that can actually be very, very dangerous. In the best case scenario, it's going to reduce your strength potential, but it actually increases risk of injury. So what we do is, when we're doing our upper body strength training, we do lower body flexibility between sets and vice versa. That's the way that we've found works best, because very few people have time to train for more than an hour a day consistently. Now remember, I mean consistently, I don't mean sporadically, I don't mean here and there. I mean, what can you do consistently, Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, or 2 or 3 days a week, but do it every single week, because that's the way that you're going to get the best results. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.